Hey y'all, Juliana here. I am out by the Great Salt Ponds getting ready for our final Master Naturalist class, my first season. And I just had to stop and appreciate some of the eastern red cedars that are out here. We've got some beautiful specimens. Let's take a look. Now, what really stops me in my track when I'm out and about appreciating our eastern red cedar or Juniperus virginiana are these blue berries, almost sky blue, some of these. Now the berries are coated in a waxy coating, so you can rub that coating off and see a darker form of the berry, but this specimen right here just has a really gorgeous set of sky blue berries. Now if you're looking at a red cedar that has berries, you are looking at a female red cedar. These conifers are dioecious, so that means they are either male or female. So this is our female. Now the opposite of dioecious would be monoecious, and that would be a tree or plant that has both male and female parts as one individual. Now, it would be totally wrong if all I did was show you guys the eastern red cedar berries, even though they are so beautiful, because again, these trees are dioecious, so there's a male that needs a little bit of showing off, and we've got them right here. Instead of berries, the male eastern red cedar produces pollen cones, and there are thousands of them on this one tree right here. Now the pollen cones are producing pollen, but they don't attract pollinators, and that's because eastern red cedars are gymnosperms. They're not producing flowers, and they are relying solely on the wind to get the pollen from this male red cedar over to the females nearby, which is pretty cool. Just because eastern red cedar trees aren't relying on pollinators, that doesn't mean that they don't have interactions with our native wildlife. In the winter, when they are producing their cones and their berries, they are important food resources for our migrating winter birds like cedar waxwings and yellow-rumped warblers. They are also important for nesting and roosting birds during the springtime. So a really wonderful native conifer that just keeps giving gifts all through the year.